Magtanggal tayo ng ano, papalit tayo ng alternator. And then don't forget to disconnect either positive or negative terminal when you're doing electric to avoid the short circuit. So dapat yung terminal is naka-isolate talaga, totally isolate para hindi sa didikit dito. Okay, since ang positive yung pinaka accessible, positive yung tinanggal natin. Okay, ito na, umpisa na natin. Ginawa natin yung airpack, tinanggal natin. Nagagamit tayo ng tarpaulin dahil it's raining, no? So to remove this fan belt, you just bring up the tension like that, and then you can release the fan belt. Let's see. You have to see. Let me have a good full view here. Okay. This. Pull up. Like that. Okay. And then this. Now it's release. So yung pagpapalit nito mamaya, it doesn't need to remove the pan. We just squeeze it out here, like here. Just squeeze it out like that, and then pan belt goes out. Okay, that's it. Now we'll see to remove the alternator. This is like I say it's like 14 or 13 mil. It's 14 mil. So let's start from here. So there are only three bolts that's involved here. Okay, before removing, you have to compare the connector, especially the pins. You have to compare the new one and the old one. Once you remove the 12 bolts, 12 mil bolts underneath here, and then 14 here, get ready with your fry bar. Fry bar, you have to squash it here, squash down here like that. Okay, and that's it. Once you drop in the alternator, connector just squeeze out, and then disconnect the connector here. So you have there 4 pins. So we will bring up this old alternator and compare with the new one. So this is it. This is the highest is. So this is the new one here. This is the fan belt. So we will compare the new one here. The important thing is here, having 4 pins here. Good. They're the same. See this? So the same contacts. Okay. So this is good. put back then. Okay, this is the new bolt here. The first thing you do is to squash out the like a dowel here to push it backwards in order for you to have the room. Okay, and then once it's in, pull the bolts, and then this connector here, it only goes one way, like that. Okay, yeah. Once it's clicked, then that's it. And then get the 10mm bolt here to take it out, and then connect this and that. Once you have that connected, I'm gonna tighten the bolts on the top and then underneath. Tighten. And the bolts on the top and the last one. Cover, just put it back on here. Just click, that's it. And then put back the new bundle. We're gonna check the tightness, the torque. Okay, good. Check the other one down there. 12 volt. 12mm bolt here down. Every time using guns, you have to check by hand as well. And there are 2 bolts here. 12mm bolt. Okay, that's tight. That's it. Okay. And then comes the fan belt. After, so that's the new alternator. See? So you install alternator, guys. Okay, again, you have to isolate or disconnect the battery terminal before alternator gets in. So don't do it like a set circuit or whatever. Installed. Thank you.